Okay, now just one of you, please, well, I don't, could just confirm you can see my screen. That would be great. I've done the odd,
Yes.
yeah, lovely, thank you. Now, first of all, sorry about the confusion over show my homework. I've gone back and had a look, and from my point of view, I've done it completely right. This one on the left, I don't know if you can really see that. I'll make it a bit bigger. That's the one that I was set for fourth form. You can see it says fourth form there, and it just says what I wanted it to say. Blah blah blah. You're going to do Hegarty 356. The one that you seem to have got for some weird reason is this second form one, but as you can see, I actually set it for second form, so I don't know why on earth that's gone over and hit the fourth. So somehow or other, at show my homework's end, they've gone and mixed up those two. So I wasn't so worried about you guys doing the wrong work. What I don't want is my second form set 3 trying to do fourth form stuff. But anyway, we'll worry about that. So that said, they probably could cope with this because this is very straightforward relative frequency. So just looking at the scheme of work, you can see that yesterday we were practicing adding, subtracting, and dividing fractions. I didn't bother the decimal bit. And then, admittedly, the bit we're doing now, it does say we've got to be revising sort of foundation probability skills. So I'm sure from your point of view, you don't hugely mind, but the next couple of lessons aren't difficult. They are sort of foundation level. It does still come up in the higher paper, so this is all genuine stuff. But if any of this stuff comes up, it's pretty straightforward. So the bit we're focusing on now is this expected frequency, which is also called relative frequency, okay? And it's very straightforward stuff. What I want you to do, please, I've gone over the Hegarty exercise I want you to be doing is number 356. And to be honest, I thought the way he was explaining it and the graphics he's got access to, he's got much more sophisticated software. I think his video is better than anything I could do live now. So I think on this occasion, I'm not really going to be running you through it, please. What I would like you to do, please, is to go over and play the 356 video. I have set it up on Hegarty Maths, so it should be there ready for you to do. But as always, if Hegarty hasn't processed it yet, please could you just search in the search box at the top for 356. It will then give you this title as a drop down. Click on that. Can you just please go and watch the video and do the quiz anyway, please? It is very straightforward stuff. Can you just make sure you get a really nice high mark on it? So if you make a few slips first time round, do you mind just going back and doing it again? I think Raoul's done it already. I think he got 100% in about 5 minutes. So we're not talking a particularly onerous task here. So it would be great if you could make this 100% one, please. So just go and watch the video, please, 356. Do the quiz. Hopefully you're going to get 5 out of 5 or 10 out of 10, whatever it is. And then I'll keep an eye for the whole of this lesson, and afterwards I'll go and transfer your mark back across to over to Teams. Because this is going to be such a brief lesson, once you've got your 100% or whatever, great if you can upload your workings onto onto Teams for me to have a look at. And as always, the page should be waiting for you. So if you go into class notebook, then you go onto homework, the tab should be waiting for you, 36.2 relative frequency. Okay. I think you'll be done in super quick time. So today would be a good opportunity to go back and fill in any gaps if you've got any. I mean, I know lots of you have got 100% all the way through, but 1 or 2 of you got a few gaps along the way. So maybe go back and have a look at the assignments I've set and just fill in any gaps that you may have. Okay, so apologies for that confusion over show my homework. In short, all you've got to do is go on to Hegarty, watch the video 356, do the exercise 356. Okay, guys, you're all working really well. I'm pleased. We're still. It's not as if we were away from school really, in as much getting behind. We would be exactly the same place even if we were at school. Okay, so it's not like we're getting behind. I guess we're quite lucky that being off it sort of coincided with some fairly straightforward topics that you don't really need me to be sort of helping you too much. Once you've got the general gist of it, you're all bright enough that you can just get the work done nice and quickly. Okay, guys, we'll have a super bank holiday weekend. I'm sure you all know tomorrow is a bank holiday, so don't turn up for remote lessons because there won't be any. Okay, cheers, guys. Bye.